Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Adya. Welcome. We will start at 5 minutes past 10.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Pragya.
Good morning.
Good morning, Shagufa.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Yash. So I think women are stronger than men because everybody has run away. As of now, only four participants are there, and out of four, three are girls. Only one, Yash, is alone to fight with all of you. Good. One more question keeps on coming that, sir, there are 10 participants in the list.
Not.
So out of 10, every time the total number of
There's a network issue.
network issue, which I have.
Hello.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let me check. Let me check. Network issue. But now it's okay. Now you can hear. Okay. So I was telling one thing that sometimes we wonder that out of 10 participants, only five are joining or six are joining. So it will keep on happening because as of now, it's a unpaid platform. So people, if they have not prepared, they will skip at the last moment. But we should not go for that. We should always keep in mind that today is my day. I have to perform my best. And this is going to be in record. So after 10 years, 15 years, 20 years,
Yes, sir.
when you will go through these recordings, you are going to feel so good, right? So nothing to worry. Whenever your turn will come, you are going to speak your best. And who is there and how many participants are there, just leave that. That is out of question.
Yes.
Okay, so now it's 10:05 and we'll start. So welcome to the 11th episode of debate ki Pathshala. And the topic which we have today is men are stronger than women. And as I told you, as of now, only 4 participants are there. So Adya, Shagufa, and Pragya,
Sir, again,
they all three will go against the motion. They are going to say that women are stronger, and alone Yash will try to prove that men are stronger. And I will tell you the list of speakers who will speak first and second. Just a moment. So the first speaker is going to be Adya only. Second speaker is Pragya. Third is Shagufa. And the last one is Yash. So Adya, Pragya, Shagufa, and Yash. So without delaying further, I will request Adya to start the debating activities.
Hello and good evening, good morning to everybody. This is Adya Hisaria, and today we are here for this debate, and I am going to speak against the motion that is men are stronger than women. But I am going to tell you the points for the motion that is women are stronger than men. We live in a world that hails superheroes such as Superman, Batman, Spider-Man, etc. And so often we end up taking women and their strengths for granted. Blame it on the sexism that is deeply rooted in our culture, which makes people perceive women as the weaker sex or females as the weaker sex. But you know what? This is a false perception, and we shall clear it. We shall clear it right here and right now. When we think about strength, we may not only think about physical strength, because men may have a greater physical strength, but strength is often characterized with the ability to withstand the pain, and also with the amount of mental strength that the person has. Now, when we talk about pain endurance, we all have to agree that women have to endure a lot of pain. For example, pain during their pregnancy times or during their menstrual cycles. So during the 9 months of a woman's pregnancy, there are a lot of changes that takes place in their body and in their lifestyle, and they need a lot of mental strength, and they have that strength to, take up all that changes in a positive way. It is a blessing that women get from God, that they can give birth to their offsprings, and but together with it, it brings a lot of pain and changes. At the time of giving birth to their offsprings, women have to go for a lot of changes. Women have to go through a lot of pain. Now, same happens during their menstrual cycle, when they have and they have to go through it every month. They do not have any other option, and they have during that they have to go through a lot of pain and mood swings. And mood swings are like sometimes just in 5 minutes a person would want to just in 5 minutes a person would want to be happy, then another 5 minutes they'll want to cry, and then another 5 minutes they'll be annoyed, and so on. So it needs a lot of mental strength to just take up all these changes in our life. Now, talking about mental strength, a woman has to leave her house and go to her partner's house after their marriage, and they have to change their lifestyle also, and their way of just presenting things, and they have to even leave their parents, which is one of the which is one of the hardest things that they have to do in their lives. And this also needs a lot of mental strength, because leaving your planned life, and your just changing your lifestyle, just transforming yourself for your partner's, your in-laws house, that actually needs a lot of mental strength. And in this way, women just have to endure a lot of pain. They have to have mental strength just to take up all the things that keep on going in their lives. And these are the points that I would like to state for the topic that women are stronger than men. Thank you.
No doubt, Adya, what all things you have told, they all are true to the core. And you have very nicely and very boldly, you have put up all the hard facts of life, that they are really so strong. And physical strength is not the only criteria. Thank you very much. Now, time for Pragya to come and add points. She has to also speak against the motion. She will tell that women are more stronger.
Well, good morning, all of you. Myself, Pragya Sri, and today's motion is men's are stronger than women, but I am against the topic. So thus women's are more stronger than men's. So world says, as Adya said, world says Batman, Superman, etc., etc. to the men's, but they somewhere take granted women's strength, power, and everything, which is wrong, which is somewhere deeply rooted to the cultural things, which is so wrong in such a way that there are some datas I have wrote. First, as per the data maintained by the research groups, there are 43 there are 43 people who have more than age 110 in the past, but out of the 43, 42 were women only. So according to this data, we know that immunity of the women are more. They are good in such a way that they have good memory power according to the research of according to the Research Academy of Washington. Memory of girls are more than as compared to the men's. Emotionally they are stronger. There is no thing. Then they have to handle more pains than men's. That's all I want to say about the topic. Thank you.
Thank you, Pragya. And after Spider-Man, Superman and all, now we also have one character which is gaining popularity, and she is Wonder Woman. So there are many movies around Wonder Woman, and I'm sure that Adya, Shagufa and Pragya, you all are going to be Wonder Woman in future. So now time to listen Shagufa.
Good evening, no, good morning, everybody. This is Shifa, and today I'm going to express my views against the motion. And the topic is men are stronger than women. Women different souls, that of mother, wife, daughter, friend, counselor, it all to perfection. Uh, being a woman means sharing a special connection that extends beyond the race, age, political opinions, etc. And it's something that bonds us together on a level that only women understand its magic and magic. The familiar saying behind every great man is an even greater woman, and can sure hold true in cases. Uh, Women may very well be the driving force behind any successful man. In present time, women are empowered and educated. Educated, and they can work at home and also work outside to earn money for the house. Uh, they are allowed to go out with their friends and they educate themselves and acquire the highest degrees. So today, women can be doctors, engineers, CSs, and many more opportunities are open for them. So man might have been proven to have a higher brain value. However, women still manage to beat them. And when it still managed to beat, when it comes to those two tests, and there's a solid scientific reason for it, cited by study conducted at the University of Edinburgh. Women have a thicker for this the area of the brain, and that is linked to improved performance on intelligence tests. So women has a dual personality in this age of success. They manage their work at home and pursued in their work at and pursued in their professional life as well. So they are also contributing their uniqueness in an almost every field. So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Shagufa. And I hope Yash is strong enough to handle Adya, Shagufa, and Pragya. So now it's turn to listen, yes, that how men are stronger than women.
Okay, sir. So it's my turn, and I have to go for the motion that men are stronger than women. So from the very beginning of our society, means from the very beginning stage, we are seeing the kings are always men, and the countries and the states are ruled by the men. Why this is so? Because men are more stronger than women. First thing that I want to conclude here is that women are emotionally not that much strong as compared to men, because they try to attach their emotions with every work. I'm not giving any conclusion about any particular person, but I want to tell that from the very beginning we can see that in wars also only men used to participate, because the women used to not that they don't used to be that much emotionally strong, so that they can participate in the wars. So from the very beginning we are saying that they are not that much strong to participate in wars and have a leadership quality. They may be having some leadership qualities, but they are not having that much. They are not that much emotionally strong. Second point I want to tell here is that uh, today we are seeing everywhere the government and the people are trying to improve girls, but somehow I can see the boys are getting backward. So there should be a equal distribution of concentration on both boys and girls, so that equally the thing can be distributed, so that they got equal opportunity. Yeah, I know the women are not getting that much equal opportunity as compared to men. They are getting suppressed. They are getting less salaries for the same work which a man is getting. But they have to. They are not that much capable of doing that work. Nowadays, we are seeing the girls are coming in front, but the men are uh, in in different companies. We can see any company. We can see any company out of 100 companies, only one or two companies are led by a woman or a girl. So this is a very big thing that we should see, that person, a man, is having more abilities and capabilities of leadership than a woman. So I may conclude here, sir.
Thank you, Yash, for putting your points. And now we are entering second round. And first chance will go to Adya if she wants to add more points or she wants to cross any point of Yash.
So I want to disagree with Yash Bhaiya that he said this point that women have less leadership qualities. I guess he is quite wrong over there, because we have read the chapters in our history like French Revolution and Russian Revolution and all of these types of revolutions, in which we have also read that women have played a really important part. If these countries are having freedom today, in like 50% part is 50% role is played by the women. They have actively participated in different movements that have taken place to just bring freedom in these countries. And these women have also led different strikes, and also they have all of us have heard about the suffragette movement of the women's for their voting rights over in the foreign countries. And just in that movement only women were there, and now as we can see in the foreign countries that they have the voting rights, and so their movement was successful. And so this is a completely, I guess this is a false point that women have less leadership qualities. And secondly, he said that women have lesser ability than men. Then that is also wrong, because women I guess he also said that men are just going downwards and women are going upwards, because women have more ability, they have more mental strength, they have more pain endurance, and they can handle whatever things are going in their surroundings in a positive way. But men they have a lot of anger issues, due to which they can just take some situations which can be handled positively by women. They can take those situations on the other side by taking it in an by handling those situations in an angry manner. Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Sadhya, for again strengthening your side. Now, time for Pragya. You want to add more points or you want to cross?
Yes, I want to cross Yash Bhaiya's point, as he said that in the past, men's were, upward than the woman. That was a false perception that was perceived by the past persons, that they said that they have said that women can't do these type of things. So this is a false perception that girls can do, but they in the past they were not such great. The situation was not such great that he or a girl can stand up by their points. So she didn't, but she was able to do it. So this was a wrong point.
Okay. Shagufa, you also have few points to add. You can unmute and speak.
Yes, sir. I would like to say women after marriage has to leave their home, friends, relatives, brothers, sisters, and even their parents. So, but men cannot leave their home for their whole life. So women tend to live longer than men due to a complex interactions of biological, environment, environmental and social factors. As per as a study published in the Journal of Proceedings of National Academy of the United States of America. That's all, sir.
Okay, okay. Now, Yash, your concluding points.
Sir, I want to cross the point of Adya that in the past, the women were not that much they don't used to participate that much in. There are very rare cases. So she gave the example of French Revolution. Yeah, I can conclude that it is a good point. But there were very rare cases that women used to participate in such movements. So so there is some lack between men and women, that men are in the front of the society and the women are back. And today's generation also we can see in our parliament also, or the past government, the quantity of women as compared to men are very less. So the leadership quality is somehow differ from men and women. So this is my conclusion, sir.
Okay. So now we have completed 2 rounds. Any other point which is new or which is going to make this debating competition strong? Anyone can uh, put forward, or I will conclude. Anyone else want to say? No? Okay. So I will conclude here. So what is my observation? That actually both of them, they are strong in some front. So maybe if uh, it's possible that physically men are stronger, then mentally and emotionally women are stronger. And we have examples of everything. We have Jhansi Ki Rani also, Joan of Arc also, and we have Indra Nui also. She is leading Pepsi Cola from so long time. But the problem, what Yash has mentioned, that the number of these women are very less. In society also, when we go to parliament, we go to office, we go to any part, we see that number of women are less and number of men are more. So we judge or we think that men are stronger. I think if all women will unite and all the moms, they will start pushing their daughters, like how Adya's mom, she is pushing Adya in the same fashion, then I think very soon this number will become 50-50, and maybe slowly women will take advantage on that. So basically, all the women, they have to do a commitment that if I will see any girl, any woman in my vicinity, in my neighborhood, I am going to give her equal chance so that she also can be equal to the boy or a man. And if both will work with full momentum, with full enthusiasm, then I feel that the society is going to be a better place. Because both of them have their own abilities, and both of them combined is going to make this society, this world, a better place. So thank you to all 4 participants for joining at 10 a.m. on a very short notice. And I hope you have enjoyed this topic and you have showcased what you want to speak in this platform. We are going to meet again next Sunday on 21st February at 5 p.m. because by that time I will be back to Muzaffarpur. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Sunday. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye-bye Adya and Shagufa and
Thank you.
Pragya and Yash.
Bye,
Have a
sir.
good day, sir. Bye bye.
Bye. Good day. Bye.